The next point is oops. Okay, so Python supports all of the major oops components, whether it's classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, or encapsulation. It supports all of them. But you might wonder that all of the other languages like Java, C++, C Sharp, Kotlin, all of them support oops. How is Python different? So the approach to oops in Python is very different. Python uses a more flexible and developer friendly style to oops. What it does is it lets you mix object oriented, functional, and procedural programming with one another. And there is no strict requirements to declare the type, as we have just mentioned in the above section, the dynamic type section. There is no requirement. Okay, in other languages you are required to create certain structure, but in Python you can play along with that. You can use object oriented, you can use procedural, you can use functional. Okay, so this is why Python is once again a very liberal language where you can explore a lot of things. Whereas in languages like Java and C++, they enforces a strict type system, strict access modifier, and requires the code to be structured. Okay. Yes, this may result in a lot of errors, as beginners may write the code which is not well structured and end up in a lot of mess. But yes, it's much easier to learn. It's much easier to explore